Hi there everyone. While waiting for the beast to cool down a bit after it's been running for a while, I thought I'd just add on some information that I forgot to put in the video when I started it out the first time. This is the start of the process before we do planting. So basically it goes ploughing, scarifying, and then you seed your oats. So one thing that could be put in front of that process is chisel ploughing. That's only used if the ground's so hard or you're digging up a paddock that hasn't been ploughed for a while. This one had a fair bit of moisture underneath it, so we're right to go straight on to ploughing. And another thing about this plough, it is a one-way offset plough. So that means pretty much you can only turn left. You can't really do any sharp turns right, otherwise it'll sort of pull it so all the discs are going straight, if that makes any sense. I forgot to show you that. But that's why, if you see in the video where I'm turning left, the discs are actually running along the ground. They're not ploughing up. That's because this frame here is not rigid. It moves. So not like the scarifier over there where it's rigid and you can turn any way you like. This bar here, when you turn left, it'll actually drag across this way and turn those wheels, and then that'll make those discs run in a straight line. Hopefully that makes a bit of sense and you can understand what I'm saying there. It's pretty hard to explain without actually showing you, and I've just finished up here, so I didn't get a chance to do that. So let's pop into the next stage of the video right now. Enjoy it. Hello again everyone, I hope we are well. Back here with the International tractor, and behind me I have this International plough here, and what I'm doing is digging up some ground that hasn't been dug up for a while. You may have seen in one of my first videos that I was ploughing. I thought I'd make this video, show you a bit more and explain to you how it works. Okay, so what happens is the tractor goes along, and as the tractor is moving, these discs just here, they rotate in the ground, and what they'll do is they'll dig up the ground, pretty much flip the soil over. As you can see, it looks quite dry here on top, but underneath it's actually it's got a fair bit of moisture under there. So that's basically how this works. It's all it does. It's very, very simple. Obviously you can adjust your depth with the hydraulic ram there. So that's basically how this thing works. It's very simple. So let's get back into it.